another video. I'm literally looking like a condom right now. Further ado, I'm gonna be showing you guys the boar's cap method to go from looking like a boardsy to a bearsy, okay? So first we're gonna start out using the Got2b glue free spray. Now I'm gonna you're gonna have to bring this cap all the way down to your ears, past your ears. You can see my McMillies and stuff, okay? Then I like to spray it, shake it up. You know, I got a forehead on me, so especially with my hair braided back, oh god honey, what edges, okay? So definitely shake this up, spray a little bit, and then I'm going to be spraying a little bit before my hairline, okay? So spray. Now this is the part where it's hard as hell for it to stick down on the side. So I'm gonna spray over the ear like that. I use it on high heat for about a minute. The thing is with this ball cap method, it can go real bad real fast. If you cut it off too soon, it's gonna be peeling up, and I like the cap to be sticking to my head. It's time to cut the excess off, and you know when the cap is ready when it is hard, nice and hard. You feel it and it feels hard, honey, okay? Now basically what I'm doing now is I'm just cutting off the thick parts of the cap. This is more on the time consuming side. You just want it to be perfect. You don't want that thick part to be showing. I'm really just starting to really get into it, to see what's all the hype about. I just put my wig on and go, and I'm good. But I'm gonna just try it out. Let's see how it is. But to me, I just feel like it's so time consuming. Especially I change my wigs every day. But if you're a person that don't change your wigs every day and you really want to keep this wig in, ball cap method is the right choice for you. I'm gonna be cutting. Make sure you don't cut your edges, girl. Okay, just cutting that thick part. Now, when it comes to the back, you can literally just leave the back like that, or you can sew this part. I'm just cutting out the excess, but you see my little edges out. Trust me guys, it will not be perfect, okay? It will not be perfect, especially over here. I'm not gonna lie, I need more practice gluing it, getting it really tacked on this side. I need to practice more on those sides, and I think anybody could really relate to it. Those parts is really hard to do. Ball cap method with the Got2b glue, and it felt so bad. It just takes so long to dry, and it's just not, it's not cool, honey. Now make sure you cut. As I told y'all, I got a lot of forehead, girl, so you know I don't really gotta, you know, I don't really gotta worry. I'm gonna be using some setting powder for this. I'm gonna be using some baking powder actually for this. I don't have like any powder in my skin tone. I just have baking powder. Putting the powder onto the cap like so. I would not suggest putting liquid foundation on the cap because it's going to be harder for the lace to stay down. So definitely use a powder, like a loose powder or pressed powder, whatever, but do not use liquid foundation. It's just not recommended. I have a powder my color exactly, so this powder is a little bit lighter because I use it for the under eyes. I highly suggest using a powder your skin tone or a little tiny bit lighter. I look like a freaking tangerine to set on powder, but honey, watch because I can make it work. I can make it work, okay? Don't suggest this as far as makeup wise, because it do have an orange undertone to it, like a warm orange undertone, which cannot be good. But I just like using a little bit of it. It works so well for me for my under eyes. And like apply this much of powder, like, you know, unless you got like a full lace wig, you don't need to color your whole wig cap. Now it's time for the wig, and this wig is some AnnaLuxuriousWigs. Try the wig on and, you know, see what we're working with. I literally just cut the lace like this. I cut my ear tabs, you know, I just put it down right there. Put our wig back and see where we're gonna glue at. So I like to push it a little bit back like that. Push it back like that. Glue I'm gonna be using is the Esha glue. Apply this much and put a thin layer. Apply my finger. I'm gonna be applying that around the hairline. I'm gonna apply it with my pinky because I don't want my little fat fingers to, you know, mess anything up. Now, as you see, this glue dries fast AF, okay? It does dry very, very, very fast. Esha glue, I love you and all, but it dries so freaking fast. Like, ugh. It's going to be sticky, guys. So even though that is dried up already, that don't mean that it's not gonna be sticky. Like, it's going to be sticky. I'm just gonna be applying literally for that much. Now, as you can see on the sides, you know, you can still see some that's cleared up. You can see some, you see the glue that's dry, you see the glue that's not dry as yet. That's okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this to the front. Time I'm going to be tying down the hair, laying down the lace so it can lay much better. But can we say how good this lace look already? Like, so now she is laying down. let's just, whoo, we got her. She good love. She good love, enjoy. So, okay guys, so she is on and she is pop. It might look a bit grayish up here. That's because I put makeup on my forehead and, you know, it just messed everything up and I was trying to wipe it off, but it wasn't working. So once I wash my face tonight, that'll be going. This wig is made to be a natural look. So it made to look like this is your natural hair and you just colored it red, okay? So the name of this wig is called Dark Cherry and I'm loving it. It's a 13x4 frontal unit, custom made. The knots come bleached. The wig comes just like this. So I'm so excited. This is a new wig I added to my site, guys, and you can add baby hairs, but I'm doing something different. Loving this like no baby hair look. It's totally different for me. But yeah, I hope you guys love this video. I will be doing more in-store videos. But yeah, I'm loving how this hair turned out. And make sure you check out AnnaLuxuriousWigs. I have an October sale. You spend $100 or more, you get 2 pairs of mink lashes. You spend $200 or more, you get a free pair of black fur slides, honey. Yes, honey, yes, yes. Okay, I just have a lot of sales going on all through this month. It ends November 1st, so get your hands on it, girl. Okay, get your hands on it. All right, love you guys all so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, support a black girl business. Okay, and yeah, I love you all so much. Have a blissful day and I'll see you in the next video.